The puppy is so cute. In a couple of days, Dr. Stanislaw will arrive to operate and remove the chip.
Yeah, Agent Hunter here.
Hello. How's the mission?
We weren't able to penetrate the compound, but we did turn a man on the other side. And we're using him as a double agent.
Agent Hunter, this is high priority. I did not initially reveal to you the full extent of the situation. A microchip that contains the code to dismantle your nation's electrical grid was implanted into Ginger the puppy.
Wow.
Natasha Rose used this method to get the microchip out of her country and into yours without detection. Whatever it takes, no matter what, you must retrieve this puppy.
Well, we won't let you down. We will complete the mission.
Who is it?
Dimitri.
Come in. Dimitri.
Yes.
Sit. Talk to me. How did it go with the NIA?
So,
What happened?
I was with Lex. He told me to get more men.
We need more men! Alright! I'll do it!
And I went out to get more men. I came back and he was not there. And we lost a few men. Not good.
Not good. No contact with the Lex.
No contact.
That's not good.
Not
That is not good. Dimitri, you must take care of this. You must take care of this.
Yes, Mom. I will try my best.
Go.
Natasha, before I go, why are our men dying over this silly little puppy?
This is not a silly little puppy. You don't need to concern yourself with the details. Do as I say and go.
What's your favorite ice cream?
I don't know, chocolate. Oh, it's the NAA. We can't let them get the puppy. No, Miss Natasha won't tell me because it's secret, apparently. Stupid little
They get the puppy, everything's over.
Yes. Hey, where have you been? Miss Natasha was looking for you. She is very upset with you. Where have you been?
I was just looking for you guys. But it got...
What are you talking about?
It got dangerous over there. I had to escape quick. They killed Jacob.
Well,
Sorry, check
sorry. Yeah. Well, we got reinforcements so we could take on those pity. All right, come on, let's go. Let's find those NIA. They call them.
Scumbag.
Dmitri!
Natasha! I just got some Nerf! Natasha, let's
Dmitri!
Is there something wrong?
First of all, Dimitri tells me he cannot locate you. Second of all, Dimitri calls me and I don't know, he's trying to tell me something. And I'm, Dimitri, and all I hear is gunshot. And then the phone goes dead. What am I supposed to think?
Oh yeah, he went to go get a new phone, and he went to go get ammunition, and also he went to go get something to eat. He'll be here any minute. He's just dying to see you. Oh yeah, by the way, Dimitri wanted me to give you the supplies. Where should I put it?
Right there is mine.
All right.
Put it right there. Thank you. Lex, did you make the hotel reservations for Dr. Stanislaw?
Yes, I did. You'll be staying at the 5-star Plaza Resort.
Great. I must go now. Give me the keys to my Mercedes.
These keys?
Lex, give me the keys.
Here, let's take this.
Hunter, we meet again.
Natasha Rose, I was hoping to never see you again.
Lex, how could you do this to me? We're there! Double cross.
Well, done the same if to you and me. I know what you're up to, Natasha. Now hand over the puppy!
Over my dead body.
Have it your way! Grab the puppy! Alright. Let me out! Alright. So let's go. Lex, give me the puppy! Alright, go secure Natasha. She was only wounded. Alright, got it. Don't move!
Ha 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 ha.
18 Hunter, get up here quick! Natasha Rose is gone!